Hello children, a very good morning to all of you. How are you dear children? I hope all are keeping well at home. Children, today I am going to teach you Standard 3 English Grammar Chapter 2. All of you kindly take out at page number 4. Chapter 2 is singular and plural. Today I will teach you singular and plural. Okay, then let's start the chapter. Nouns tells us about the number of things they name. Nouns that refer to one person or thing are called singular nouns. So children, what is singular nouns? Nouns that refer to one person or thing are called singular nouns. Example: a flower, an ice cream, a boy, a tiger. Next, nouns that refer to more than one person or thing are called plural nouns. Children, what is plural nouns? Nouns that refer to more than one person or thing are called plural nouns. Example: rivers, bodies, benches, toys, girls. We can change singular nouns into their plural forms in many ways. We add s to most nouns to form plurals. Example: nut, nuts, flower, flowers. Next we'll see exercise 1. A. Add s to the following nouns to form their plurals. Now we will do one by one. Number 1, balloon, and plural form is balloons. Number 2, present, that plural form is presents. Write s here. Number 3, friend, and that plural form is friends. Number 4, museum, and plural form is museums. Number 5, elephant, that plural form is elephants. Number 6, Wednesday, that plural form is Wednesdays. Next, number 7, biscuit, the plural form is biscuits. Number 8, building, and the plural form is buildings. 9, office, the plural form is offices. Number 10, desk, the plural form is desks. 11, clock, the plural form is clocks. Number 12, escalator, the plural form is escalators. Okay children, it is done. Next we'll see. We add es to some nouns that end in o, s, ss, sh, ch and x to form their plurals. Hero, see, heroes. We add es here. Beach, beaches. Class, classes. Tax, taxes. Bush, bushes. Is that clear children? Okay, we will see the next one. B number, singular or plural. Look at the pictures and circle the correct answers. Children, see the picture. How many foxes are there? Yes, there are 2 foxes, so it is plural. So we will circle here foxes. Number 2, how many dishes are there? Yes, here are 2 dishes, so plural. Here it is given dish and dishes, and plural is dishes, so we will circle dishes. Number 3, sandwich. How many sandwiches are there? 1, 2, 3, so it's a plural. Here it is given sandwich and sandwiches, so sandwiches, we circled sandwiches. Brush, 1 brush is here, so it is toothbrush. Box, how many boxes are there? 2 boxes are there, so we will circle boxes. How many potatoes are here children? 1, 2, 3, so potatoes, it is plural, potatoes. Dress, how many dresses are here? There are 2 dresses, so it is plural, dresses. glass. One glass is here, so it is singular, so we'll circle glass. Okay children, we will move on to the next one. Number C. Write the plurals of the singular nouns given below. Okay, singular nouns are given, we will write their plural form. Number 1 we will do bench, benches. 2 wish, wishes. 3 hero, heroes. 4 dress, dresses. 5 inch, inches. 6 beach, beaches. 7 tomato, tomatoes. 8 bus, buses. Okay children, is that clear? Next we will move on. Turn the page. Nouns that end in Y. Here we'll see, if the letter before the Y is a consonant, change the Y to I and add ES. Example is given, you see, baby, babies. So we removed the Y and we wrote IES, babies. City, cities. If the letter before the Y is a vowel, just add ES. See the example, key, keys. Only S we will add here. Boy, boys. Next one we'll see, D number. Fill in the blanks with the plurals of the nouns given in the brackets. Children, number 1 now we will do. There are many dash. It is given here country in the world. So this country we will write here countries. We remove Y and we will write IES, countries. There are many countries in the world. Number 2, the ladies. Lady is plural form is ladies. The ladies had the keys to their cars. Number 3, we saw 4 donkeys at the farm. Number 4, Rohan picked daisies and lilies from the garden. 5, our diaries were left behind in school. 6 number, Jack has been to 5 cities with this troop. 7, the children received free toys on Children's Day. 8 number, babies need special attention and care. Okay children, is that clear? Next one we will see, we usually form plurals of nouns ending in F or FE by changing the F or FE to VES. Example is given, see, calf, CALF. It is in plural form is calves, CALVES. Life, lives. Now we will do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the plurals of the given words. Number 1, wolf. We could hear the howling the wolves. The plural form of wolf is wolves. WOLVES. 2 number, knife. Put the knives and forks on the table. 3 number, leaf. Dry leaves fall from the trees in autumn. Number 4, calf. Many calves were born at the Chin Min farm last year. 5 number, loaf. The baker sold many loaves of fresh brown bread. Number 6, life. Many soldiers lost their lives fighting for the country. 7 number, thief. The thieves were caught red-handed by the police. 8 number, wife. Standing on the deck, the sailors waved to their wives. Wife, plural form is wives, WIVES. Okay children, Up to here, you write in the language copy and learn. And rest of this part we will discuss in my next video. Till then, thank you.